Hello and welcome back to Potions class. My name is Lucia and today I have another restorative for you. The star ingredient for today's cocktail is holy basil, also known as Thai basil. It has a peppery licorice flavor and it was often used as a curative in the past. Holy basil was said to reduce the symptoms of malaria. It can be transformed into a topical for sunburns, and it also works as a nerve tonic for stress and anxiety. It was also believed to help you live longer, so maybe this would be a good ingredient for a longevity potion. Today's remedy is called Thai Basil Fizz, and it is meant to treat stomach discomforts. If you like spicy foods like me, or maybe you've had one too many potions, this restorative will help your tummy feel a little less like a roller coaster. If you like learning about these old-timey concoctions, leave a like and subscribe, and hit the bell to get notifications for new content. So without further ado, let's craft our Thai Basil Fizz. So these are the ingredients for today's potion. You will need 1 sprig of holy basil, 2 ounces of botanical gin, 1/4 ounce of absinthe, 3 to 4 shakes of Peychaud's bitters, 2 to 3 ounces of ginger beer, and lemon zest for garnish. Alright, so first, chop up your basil. Add your basil to a Boston shaker. Add gin, and absinthe. Fill your shaker 3/4 full with ice. And shake in the Peychaud bitters. Shake for about 20 seconds. And strain into a glass. Top it off with ginger beer. And garnish with lemon zest. And ta-da! Thai Basil Fizz is complete! Taste test time. Alright, let's see if this remedy tastes good. Cheers! It's a very pleasant drink. It definitely has a very Asian flavor profile. The Thai basil and ginger combination definitely reminds me of Thai food. When you smell this cocktail, it is very herbaceous and floral. You do get a lot of the peppery and licorice flavors from the Thai basil as well as the absinthe. I know a lot of people don't like the black licorice / anise / fennel flavors, but I don't think it's actually bad. I think it pairs really well with the citrus flavor. I'm the weirdo who will still try things again even though I know I don't like it the first time, because there have been several things that I've tried that I actually do like eating after trying it several times. I think it's because when someone tells me that they actually do like it, that I'm always trying to figure out why, so I'll eat it several times after just to understand how they feel. There are some foods that I do end up liking, but it doesn't apply for everything. I'm also not much of a picky eater, so I guess that helps. So far, my stomach feels okay from drinking this. I'm not willing to give myself a stomach ache just to test this out though. If anything, it really brightened up my appetite. I really want Thai food now. This would probably work as a good pairing for Thai food as well. Well, that's the end of today's class. Thank you for joining me, and please let me know how you like to use your holy basil. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave it down in the comments below. And until then, class is dismissed. Stay magical!